Bakit bakit nagagawa ng dalawang magpartner ang magmahalan? No? Because you are loved. No? The grace comes from God. Personally, tinatawag ka Noel. Personally, tinatawag ka Danessa dahil meron kayong mission sa buhay. No? Hindi lang dahil kain laban, kakasal, gano'n, kundi you have a mission. No? Because marriage is a mission.
I'm making a list of all the things that I once loved. I'm writing down everything it means. We played our parts, we colored within the shapes and lines. A brand new start, leaving our fear and doubt behind. And I'm keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Keeping my lungs, I'm holding my tongue this time. Follow me to the sea. You're telling me there's so much more. Wait and see what it is. What you settle for?
Noel, today, I promise to be spontaneous, cherish each moment, be fair, and be willing to try new things and witness your beautiful life.
Love, dumating na itong araw na pinakahihintay natin. Pinapangako ko sa'yo, aalagaan kita sa lahat ng oras. Iingatan kita kahit lagi ka nagtatantrums. Hindi ko maipapangako sa'yo ang perfectong buhay. Pero sa bawat pagsubok na pagdadaanan natin, lagi akong nasa tabi mo.
I will always take time for us and dream with you. I will be your biggest fan and laugh together with you. I will encourage you to chase your dreams and our dreams. I love you.
Ang misyon ko ay pasayahin ka at alagaan ka. Mahal na mahal kita.